Hola, tribe. We are in the streets of Bangkok. Yeah. Well, so we're headed to a meet and greet for all the expats, YouTubers, and what may have you. And I guess we'll talk to y'all a little bit, and then we'll film the walk a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're gonna show you some really cool stuff. All right. As you can see, everything's in English. I don't know what that is, but it looks interesting. So also to talk about it, we just came back from a Thai cooking school. So we have a visa, a DTV visa, digital nomad, right? And with this visa, we take cooking classes. So me and Gia just cooked a 5-course meal. And let me tell you something. It was delicious. It was absolutely delicious. Now, something else you need to know. Everybody in there speaks English, all right? So you don't have to worry about learning Thai, at least not there. And honestly, since we've been here, we haven't had to learn really too much Thai. Now, do we want to learn Thai? 100%. But everything's in English. A lot of people speak English, and I suspect a lot more people speak English than we know, but I think they're kind of shy about it because they don't speak it every day. Or maybe they don't grow up speaking it, right? So it's a little something for you all, little nuggets, right? But if you don't speak English that well and you don't speak Thai, I don't know if this is the place for you. Anyway, back to the journey. What's up, tribe? High Vibe Vince, High Vibe Gia. We just left a meetup in Bangkok with DeMarcus and everybody else, man. It was incredible. All right, it was. What did you think?
Amazing content. It's so nice to connect with other, not only content creators, but just people that are in the same scenario that you are. They're in the process of creating their own dream life and living it in a different country. And it's just fantastic to be able to connect with groups like that. So loved it. It's really great. We've got a lot of great collabs, and you'll see a lot of great stuff coming
up. Yeah. So
also the amazing interview that we were able to have with Chef Bing of Chef Bing's Pizza here in Bangkok.
Right.
Pizza
right
is
behind us.
Fantastic, by the way. Amazing.
Delicious.
Yes, definitely want to stop by. The vibe is great. They've got an outdoor patio. Which actually still has some stuff going on up there.
Still going down.
Yeah.
Right? We're just leaving a little early because, I want to sleep. So, continue to follow us. We appreciate all the follows. We appreciate all the comments. Never forget to like, comment, subscribe, right? We really want to take this just from something we're doing for fun to something we do for a living, right? That's the whole goal. Okay, so we need all of you to help with that. And other than that, anything else you want to say before we go?
That's it.
Hey, see you later, tribe.
Our world is getting a whole lot bigger, and we hope yours is too.
Absolutely.